ReadSpeaker Review. In this video, I'll be giving you an expert review of ReadSpeaker, a text-to-speech solution designed for a wide range of users, from educators to businesses and individuals with accessibility needs. ReadSpeaker offers a variety of features that set it apart in the market. The platform supports multiple languages and voices, which allows users to customize their experience. It also offers features like real-time web reading, file conversion, and integration with learning management systems or websites. This makes it a versatile tool for content creators, educators, and people with visual impairments or reading difficulties. One of ReadSpeaker's standout features is its seamless integration. Whether you're looking to add voice functionality to a website, document, or e-learning platform, ReadSpeaker provides an easy-to-implement solution with clear documentation. The tool's real-time web reading capabilities are particularly useful for users who need to listen to articles or web content without having to manually copy-paste text. This is a game changer for businesses aiming to provide an inclusive experience for all website visitors. Another feature worth mentioning is ReadSpeaker's ability to convert files, like PDFs and Word documents, into high-quality speech. This is incredibly beneficial for people who struggle with reading text-heavy documents. Additionally, the voice options are natural sounding and vary by region and language, enhancing the overall user experience. The ability to adjust reading speed and pitch also gives users full control over their listening experience. From an accessibility perspective, ReadSpeaker is an excellent choice. It complies with WCAG guidelines, ensuring that websites and platforms using the service meet accessibility standards. The tool can also be used to create audio files that make content more engaging and accessible, especially for people with dyslexia or visual impairments. In terms of usability, ReadSpeaker is user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for even non-tech-savvy users to get started. The customer support team is also responsive, providing excellent assistance when needed. Overall, ReadSpeaker is a robust, versatile text-to-speech solution that meets a variety of needs. Whether you're an educator, content creator, or simply looking for better accessibility tools, ReadSpeaker offers a high-quality, customizable experience that is well worth considering.